Today we will discuss exercise 2.1 question number 2. What is the question number 2? Write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Whole numbers just occurring before 10,001. That means we have to subtract 1 from this number, right? That means if we subtract this number, that is 10,001, the number is 10,001. If we subtract 1, we are getting 10,000, right? After that, if we subtract once again 1, we are getting 9,999. Again, if we subtract 1, then we are getting the number, here it is 9,998. Therefore, the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001 will be 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998, right? Therefore, the answer will be, here we are writing the answer. The question is, write three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. The three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001 will be 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. This is the solution of question number 2.